Okay, so we are now live. Bank 21 kilohertz says hello. I thought you wrapped up for the gameplay one, Alicia, not the actual game engine one. Do the game engine one. Hi guys. Hey guys. Sorry, just making dinner. Yeah, that's calm. Picks up at. If you get to join in while we're still doing it, that'll be good. If not, see you tomorrow. What we'll use have we're gonna make some chicken pasta bake after this. We're gonna make the chicken first. It's been marinated. Just gotta cook that. Then dice that up, put that in the pasta bake, and then after that we're gonna make cookies as well. We work right now, but have a good stream. Thanks, Bank. Bye. Have fun at work. Okay, so I'm also gonna pin the Discord channel here. Discord. There we go. Pin it. And in the Discord group, created a new category called finance, and in there there's channels for general finance, cryptocurrency, stocks and shares, and property as well. So I want people to share their knowledge about that, ask questions about that, and anyone will try and help, especially everything that's going on right now. Because obviously this is a great channel. Wall Street Bets, definitely worth checking out. And I'm just gonna go and get a yogurt, and I'll be back in a second. Yeah, they're weird like that. Look at you. You didn't forget to pin your Discord. No, I didn't. You guys are losers. Thank you very much. And somebody called Baby. And you guys eat dinner late. Sometimes he ends up being late. So sometimes we eat it on time. Sometimes he ends up being late. We need to be more on time with dinner. That's partly my fault with the streams. I know. I know. I admit. I'm on time with the streams. I need to get into a proper rhythm. Just gonna go to the toilet. Have fun in getting your yogurt. I did have fun. What game are you playing, babe?
And you? You said what? Oh, I don't think she can hear you.
No, what game are you playing?
Ghost Tsushima.
Yeah, she's playing Ghost of Tsushima.
I'm on Act 2.
She's an actor. She's just a bit further than I am. A few hours further than I am. So she's enjoying that. I don't think she can hear you. Smiley face. Alicia smiley face. Okay. Let's get into coding stuff. We was needed to do the load map stuff. So void load map. And we need const std colon string file path. Let me create implementation. First of all, let's wipe that map. How can we wipe it? Can we say, let's do this. First of all, let's load the file and escape printing out. I wanted to get that successfully done. So file manager, can't see the comments on the laptop. Should be able to see the comments now in a second. So how is everyone? I'm good, Alicia. How is everyone else? File manager. The low dot get line from file. That's all we need is the single line. File path. Line number, which is 0 is the first line. The CSV file. First of all, let's just do a simple spd log colon info. Yeah, let's do another one spd log colon info. That'll just separate it out. And CSV file. Splash state. Let's comment out this bad boy. I think we can actually comment out all of this. Function. Now, do we need to create a map function? Because save map will create the map if we don't already have it. Because we can set a value. We can initialize map with a value. And that'll override the entire value. Overrides. Over the entire. Are you on Facebook? The Sonar Systems group is on Facebook. I generally don't use Facebook other than that. That was something I wanted to check. That's just jogged my memory. do a load map. That don't really matter, I can keep saving and not really fuss about that. I'll load it. No, I want to load it from that actually. Load map. No, so we don't actually need that. We're almost done with the map stuff anyway. Let's give this a run. Make sure the stream is going okay. No drop frame. Yes, good stuff. Since that worked. Okay, so that's worked. Load map. Now I need to pass this one value at a time. And what can I do with this? What does a CSV thing allow me to do? Okay, would we verify this to the CSV reader? Probably yes. If I copy this, yes, I'm probably going to need to do a hash include as well. Hash include external CSV, and here we go. So instead of that, we are going to do this CSV file. Not CSV file, we're going to do file path, and what we're going to say is CSV. Let's get hold of this. Ask Budgie if she wants to watch a scary with me tonight. Alicia, I know you. You do? Because I don't know you. Yes, I. Mimi should do a live playthrough. Or I just forgot you. How do I know you? Mimi should do a live... yeah, I would like for her to do a live playthrough. She wants to watch a scary movie tonight.
No, don't do scaries.
No, don't do scaries. Plus, it's Tuesday, so it's me and Mimi's date night as well.
It is?
It is. Okay, info. Let's see what this produces. Yeah, definitely make her watch one with me, with you. We could have watched Annabelle or something. Date night, yeah. On 14th. What's your plan for date night? After this, we're gonna make some food. We're gonna play Risk, the board game as well, and probably won't get time to watch a movie, but I might watch a TV show. When she comes over, I'll make her watch one with me. I want to use Coco Studio for game programming. How should I start? Do you know any Coco Studio X at the moment? If you don't, forget about the game side of it. Just learn Cocos. If you don't know Cocos, if you don't know C++ or JavaScript, depending on which route you're going to go down, recommend C++. But if you don't, recommend learning one of them before you switch on to Cocos, then go into Cocos, then game development. Look into game design. Look into, just have a look at other videos online of what people are doing and to learn from there. Just take your time. That's good. Yeah, that worked. But that doesn't tell me the dimensions of the array, because this was saved as a 2x4, I believe. 2x4. It could easily be a 4x2 if all the letters are the same. That does not help me one little bit. So I need to track. It's a 4x2 or a 2x4. It could be 8x1, for example. And depending on the size of the number, if it's, let's say, those 16 values, it could be like a 1x16, 2x2, 4x4, no, 2x8, 4x4, 8x2, 1x16 or 16x1, depending on which one I've already said. So either A, at the start of the file, keep track of the dimensions. Because the other thing I could do is actually print it in there, record it in the way it should be recorded. That's not that much of an issue, I don't think, to do that. So if I do that, should do that aspect of it. So if I give this a run now with just this, tell you that, where are you from? Budgie said you were proud of me. Budgie said you were proud of me. I am proud of you.
What she said?
Budgie said you were proud of me.
Yeah, I said you were proud of that.
I am very proud of you. We just want you to work hard and do well. Alicia, where are you from? Yeah, don't tell me where you're from, Alicia. Behave yourself, Atik. Otherwise you will be on a timeout. I'm not afraid of giving timeouts.
Yeah, who is that person?
I have no idea. I've never seen them before. BB. Actually, no. Yeah, so it saved it correctly in there. If you only done it as it's close. Getting closer. What happened? What do you mean? In the coding, what happened?
He just said not much.
Not much. But he's just coding. Yeah, just coding, trying to figure this out. Nothing in chat.
Well, you can give a better update, honey, on what you've done so far.
Who?
You?
To who?
To Pat, if he's missed anything.
I just want to know is it not good to ask where someone is from? Oh, I think he's talking about what Atik did.
Oh.
No, that's fine, but obviously because she's our little sister, we would just be a bit protective. So to make sure he's not someone dodgy. Not saying you are, but you know, there's plenty of dodgy people out there. Let's try the other one. It's got all the values, but why is it reading it like that now? I want it 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let me not do that. Let me do this. Let me say, what's the line? What's the line? What's the line? Let me get rid of high school manager. Shouldn't need that. Field row. What is this anyway? I don't know what is that. Is he some sort of? Oh, she's your older sister. Then that's understandable. Yoga is great brain food as long as it is full fat. I have this one budgie gave me a book on solving. Have you guys ever solved a Rubik's cube? I tried a Rubik's cube when I was a kid. I've still got one. It's at my parents' house. I wasn't able to solve it then. I do want to get one. I do want to get one now, and learn how to do it now. Your brain needs real fat to function at optimal capacity. You definitely don't want to be starved of carbohydrates either. You want some like good energy. What was we doing with the field here? See what happens. I have yogurt. What yogurt do you have? Okay, BB spit. New line, BB, new line. Almost there, but why is he missing out characters? Let me try this. Let me try getting rid of this, see what happens. Oh, is it because it's set to 2 by 4. No, that should be because I'm printing stuff out. Let me not save it, then I'll override it. Looks cool, thank you, fish and chips. Wouldn't mind some fish and chips actually. Okay, no. So let's just change this. Let's do 3, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Missing the first 3 values though. Every time it seems to only be doing 6 values. Let me try that. That still works the same, and then I'll add some more values and experiment. I have the corner ones. We have the audio equivalent of them. Finished them now. We haven't had it in a long time. I like Greek you. I do like Greek yogurt. Are you a freelancer? Don't really do much freelancer work. I've done the odd little bit here and there. More hustler and entrepreneur. The way I like to see it. Okay, yeah. So that new You have one more left in the fridge? Do I? I'm pretty sure I finished it. It's been finished. Do you drink tea or coffee? Neither really. I drink decaf green tea, but generally don't drink either. I don't like tea apart from decaf green tea. Don't like the taste of coffee. I love the smell of coffee, especially when it's been made fresh beans and everything, but I don't like the taste of it. So I don't drink tall coffee or tea as a stimulant as well. I like to rely on stuff like water and mental energy. I'm gonna try something. What happens if I do this? It's so random. But it doesn't let me drink coffee. Yeah, it's better if you don't. We have one more left in the fridge. I thought you said I have one more left in the fridge. That's how I read it as. Okay, it's going to. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Let me give it another run. See if we get the same thing or do something different now. How did you guys meet? It was recommended through family. That's how we met. For right. This is weird. Let me put something at the start of here, like A, B, B, C, C. See, it's not getting the first line for some reason, no matter what that line is. Let me see what happens if I do this. I don't like that. Did he say you guys are making cookies? Yeah, we're making cookies.
Later, yeah.
Cookie, cookie, cookie. You typed that fast.
Huh?
You typed that fast. And did they make a good match? They did make a good match. A very good match. A plus.
Did you see a comment?
We don't want anyone to lose a tooth. Good thing you didn't
So
cook it there.
cheeky.
Who
Who
is?
is Munna? I am Munna.
Yeah,
I don't think
Mimi.
you've explained your nickname.
Yeah, so Mimi is the nickname I gave her. Her name is Mamunna, and we call her Munna for short. He calls you Mimi, as in like meme.
You called me Mimi Pat.
Yeah, because obviously he hasn't seen it spelled out. It's M-E-E. So this is the way I spell it, Pat. Yeah, Munna and Meme or Mimi is the same person. Could this be it? No header. Fish and chips can talk. Hi Munna. Yeah, he can talk. Story time. Budgie made cookie dough once and he was so hot that I lost the tooth. Babe,
Yeah.
did you see what Lulu just commented?
No.
Have a look.
There's something bad.
A bit. Funny.
She's like,
What chocolate you get? Snickers? Or you score your...
oh. Do you want some?
No, I'm good. Are you gonna give me one?
Well, I'll
Yeah,
just
yeah.
take them away.
No,
then.
you might as well. You can open. No, you can open. Yeah, feed me. You got
Which one do you want?
no Twix food left, is there? Somebody's eaten them all.
You.
I
Your Milky Way?
yeah, go on. It's always nice and soft. Did they match you guys because you both like computer games?
They didn't tell us those things.
No, we didn't know that until we started talking. But that definitely helped with the match. Not sideways. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
She looks younger than you.
I am younger.
Alicia said, don't tell her, wow.
Don't tell her.
I'm guessing she meant to pick up her. Yeah, she's younger than me. I'm 29, she's 26. Not for I look younger.
Wow.
I'm joking. You do look younger.
Fish and Chips said hi. Hi.
Hello.
No, he said hi to me, honey.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he said hi, Munna.
I don't believe it, bro. Oh yeah, he did, to be fair. Thanks a lot, bye. Oh, I don't know what the thanks was for. I think it's to tell her what she said, but it's literally public if that's what you're saying it for.
Yeah,
I can't. Yeah.
everyone can read it.
I know, literally everyone. What happened?
Just Alicia.
What's she saying, bro? What's she saying? They are, to be fair.
It's the fact that she thinks she's gonna type a book and then say don't tell her.
See what this gets. The error hasn't disappeared, but no, it's not there anymore. Don't need this anyway. Don't need this. Okay, so that gets the string. It also gets the new line characters, which I guess is good. So let me do it like this. spd log : info. So how does it print you up at the moment? Can you give me 1, 2 on that? Only for me. And she, the perfect girlfriend, she even feeds you. She is. She looks 10 years younger. What were the reason for you guys, for matching you guys? Not 10, she just looks young. 4. 4. For marriage, of course. I think 5. Yeah, he actually does the... that don't make much sense. Even though it's constant, we can't change it. I'll still rather have it in this format. If it equals, doesn't equal that, then we'll print it out. I don't know how this would, but I think they just give you random people will match you with random people. Have you seen what Lulu's put? Just read the past few messages.
I don't know how this works, but I think they just give you random people with match you.
Yeah.
Seen it happen.
I thought we were going to do with you.
Hmm?
I thought we were going to do with Lulu.
Yeah. Does she think Mum's gonna let her just go find someone? No way.
Or if the parents like each other, that would be great to be matched. It is useful. Hey, what's happening here? That's what I really wanted, actually. Oh, give me an error. Well, they just exchange them, and then if they like each other, the parents meet up. And then if they still like each other, then they get married.
Just the way she summed it up.
I know, yeah. It is really funny.
Did you get to date first or just met at the wedding?
Did you get to date first? No, we met each other first, so we... First date.
Yeah, we had dates.
Yeah.
How many did we have in total?
Few?
Yeah, a few dates.
Yeah. But obviously, we knew each other for what, 8 months? Almost 8 months.
Yeah.
Basically 8 months before we got married. It was basically one parent's family would go to each other's house with the person. She literally giving a step-by-step guide of how it works. They went to golf. Mini golf.
Do you want any more, babe?
No, I'm good, babe. I'll save myself for the pasta and...
Do you know it's a bounty, do you?
No, I don't think.
Oh, well,
It's only the caramel I don't like.
Oh,
Mars I'll have at a push if I'm desperate.
okay.
But even the Mars... Basically, the Mars and the caramel, if you have them, I'll have the rest.
No.
I'll have the rest. You like caramel? Yo, you like bounty?
Mm.
That's nice. I see a Snickers there as well. Bab is the only word I miss. Okay. And did you try it on before you buy? No. Babe, you want to answer that?
Answer what, sir?
Pete's question? Pat Pixel Pats?
Did you go to try it before you buy? No, no trying before buying. No returns either now.
Why is this working? Oh yeah, we don't want this like this. Can't wait to go back to school and sneak food. I'm going insane in this house. The horrible ones always left in the box. The roses, there's always orange strawberry. Yeah, I don't like roses in general. I don't like roses. Heroes.
Yeah.
It's like there's the odd one good in there, but there's too many
Yeah, the odd
fudgy.
ones are okay.
Yeah. Whereas with celebrations, vast majority I like.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I can push myself to a Mars if I'm desperate. The caramel. Yeah, the caramel, hell no. You can have that, babe. Yeah. Or dad can have it. Yeah, what are the boxes are there? Yeah, rose. I think roses are the worst one. It's been ages since I've had roses. I think whenever mom and dad's got them now,
Yeah, we only have them there, really.
or we usually just tell them, or if I get them, I'll just give them away as a gift, later on. Roll on the floor, no returns either. Really picture bats. Got it formatted nicely there.
What about flowers? I don't get it.
Hmm?
I don't get it.
About what? No. No, because we said roses.
Oh.
Alicia, no, we're talking about chocolates. The roses chocolates. And then there's heroes and celebrations. Don't like roses. They should do a selection of, I don't think the same company. Kinder Bueno, Ferrero Rocher, Lindt.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they're not the same company, but those ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be epic. Whacking a chunky from Aldi. Have you sorted? I wonder if they do a large celebration box where it's the full size chocolates, but it's a larger box.
Fruit.
No, full size chocolates.
Oh, yeah.
So it's the same number of chocolates, but it's just a bigger box like this. Obviously, you wouldn't buy that for any Tom, Dick, or Harry.
No.
You'd have to care for that person a lot to spend that kind of money down on it.
Yeah.
Or you get the Asians that are all say, "Give me the box back," and I'll just buy from Poundland and put them in, and I get the box back. You don't pay us. Nothing wrong with that. Unless
Asians being Asians?
unless you make your own box, nice box. Like you get a nice cardboard box from Poundland and just whack them in. We have a huge box of Kinder bars. Yeah, I might do that actually. What if I can do that, start selling on marketplace?
Huh?
What if I can do that, start selling on marketplace? Large, life size celebration box, custom made celebration box.
Custom made, yeah.
Because the chocolate in, you could like large, you can get large packs of them cheap from like Poundland, and they're still the actual chocolate. Well, I don't want to return, so forever. The orange ones I can handle. I can't remember which ones are they actually orange, or are they just orange paper? I'm not a big fan of them in general. Okay, so now create an int x y. Okay. Okay, so we got that, and we'll say x plus plus, y plus plus, and no. This has to go over here. Yes, and this is only if it's here as well. Basically, at this moment is where we would want to save it. So we would first of all we need to override the map. So first of all we need to say underscore map equals new. We need the array size, and we basically need this. How to get the array size y? Can I actually get that? Can I do reader dot number of rows? That should get the job done. Std colon cout rows std and now. And then can I do something similar for field as well? Let me comment out this bad boy for now. At the start of this, columns row dot size. So that should return 5 and a 3. 5 for the rows, 3 for the columns. Does not. It returns 4. But I'm thinking is that a 4 because it's n plus 1 or n minus 1. The number of fields in this row. It's returning 4 for the columns. Don't forget there's the end one as well, which we don't want for there to be there. Have you ever tried sugarcane? You're in Pakistan, me and Munahab, if that's who you're talking to. Do you have 2 screens? Do you did you do a computer course? No, she didn't actually go uni. She did some computer qualification. What Cisco qualifications and huh? Cisco CCNA qualifications, and she basically got the equivalent job what you could get if you did a comp sci degree, which I'm very proud of the wife for. Do I have two screens? Yes and no. Only one screen connected to this. Can you even see my mouse? Yeah. And the other thing I'm looking at is my laptop with the comments, but that's not connected to this machine. Can't you explain what they are? Are you asking Alicia to explain sugarcane, or are you asking my wife to explain the CCNA stuff? Okay, so that's doing that. I guess. I mean, the foolproof way is to do a path of it. Why ain't they returning? That mean red so far. No, nothing's being read so far. That's not what I want. Get column name, get format. Can I just get size? Okay, so let's do this. Not the most efficient way, but it's what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna say is this. We are going to get rid of this. We'll say x equals y equals 0 again, and we're gonna say get rid of that. Don't even need the value there, and technically I do need the value there, but only I can just do it in line, to be fair. It's a stick thing and you can make sugar from it. Babe, Pixel Pat wants you to explain the CCNA stuff. Pixel Pat wants you to explain the CCNA stuff.
Okay.
No.
Now?
Yeah. Just explain.
Let's do it after. I'll just type it.
Okay.
I'll type it so you can focus on yours.
At this point we know how many Y's there are, but we need to know how many Y's there are first. Ooh, yeah. We need to do x equals 0 here. We need to reset x equals to 0. I mean, realistically, the map only works if it's the same number of rows, same number of columns for each row. I mean, the same size. What kind of games are you making? At the moment, no games, just making the game engine. Eventually we'll be making some clones like Pong, Brick Breaker, Pac-Man, that sort of stuff. Then we'll be making fresh new games, all of which will be live streamed and open sourced for free. If you get a job from it, then it's worth it. She did, so it has been worth it for her, and I'm very proud of her. What was I gonna do now? Oh yeah, I guess what we need to do is here say actually I've already got the line, I just need to uncomment it. y, y, and x, and x. Okay, reassigned. Correct way of reassigning a pointer C++. She has a really big book about Cisco, whatever that is. With CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, you're taught the basics of networking, how you routing, switching, routing protocols. Provide to reassign pointers. If you must deallocate the audience and create a one, you must first make sure that you're creating the old. Make sure that creating the new object succeeds. So you delete it. You call so just a simple delete should be. Should suffice. I will need to, I guess, reuse that line so we can just put that as a generic method. We'll call it void delete map pointer. And this, as a result, has revealed something else that I need to do. At this point, I need to say this. I'm going to wrap up for today. I'm going to test this tomorrow because it's getting pretty late and we need to make food as well. So I'm just going to give this a quick build, see what happens, and then just commit the code as well. Skipping any like for harm mentioned, so I just bought the required books and created network labs practice. Feel like skipping uni every day. Did you start it at all? Unfortunately, can't relate to that feeling. Nope, didn't start uni at all. No, she didn't go. Well, she just said she didn't go to uni at all. So saved on all of that debt. Q&A, quick Q&A while I commit the code. So quick Q&A, 2 mins.
She loves your Q&A times, babe.
She does.
So she
I will fix that error tomorrow while I just commit the code. Okay, so this is map manager broken loading from a file broken but fixed soon. There's another change I want to make, but I'll commit it first and then I'll make the change. Have you ever seen a snake in real life? Yes, in Pakistan I have.
What did you have?
Yes. It was out in the open. In front.
Was it close to you or?
I mean, yeah, pretty close. Yeah. I went into the. I was in the village. I went to the bathroom to have a shower, and he just wrapped around the sink.
Oh my god!
Wrapped around the top. I came out and Auntie went in there and just
Killed it.
nothing had disappeared. By the time she got there, she was like, "It's gone. Now you can go in." I was like, "I don't want to go in."
do that? They're like, oh, it's fine, just go. And you're like,
Yeah,
what?
you could, because the actual drain for the water is
Yeah.
literally just a hole at the bottom of the wall, like about this
Yeah,
big.
yeah,
I
I
was
know.
like, there ain't even a grate on it.
It's probably gonna come back while some shower.
I know, yeah. You just wrapped around chilling. I remember Nan was telling me a story of when she used to live in Pakistan. A snake came and into their house in the village, and they screamed for the men. Nobody came, so she just got a stick and killed it herself. Like, they ain't coming. I think they was out in the Murabba doing work. And but by the time they came, like, what happened? I was like, it's done now.
Men.
You guys took too long. He's just casual there. It's like, yeah, it's fine. You know, killing the snakes. Every time I would walk around in the village and I would hear rattling in the grass, and I think it was some sort of insect, but I was like, yo, is this a rattlesnake? I don't think there's rattlesnakes
Yeah,
there.
I know what you mean.
But I'm just like, yo, is he a rattlesnake?
Can you see the live chat on mobile? Yes, you can. Oh, the live chat?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
see it
you
on mobile.
can.
When you actually go on the video, there's a live chat button. It's in the row of icons where you got like thumbs up, thumbs down. And I think there's live chat, and then after that you got share and save, or something along those lines. It's there. You press that, and then you'll see the live chat. It's not in the regular comments. Regular comments are different to the live chat stuff. Kurakoi, okay, Fiona. Scare a snake. You have to stomp on the ground and scream because snakes are dead or deaf, and can hear vibrations. Rather not take the risk. So scary. I've got a fixed snake. I did. So scary. Because in reception they brought a huge snake. We all had to pet it, and they even brought in these bugs thingies. Have you ever seen anything? Yeah, obviously they're more controlled and they won't be poisonous. But just out in the wild. There's no snakes in Ireland because St. Patrick drove them out. That's nice. Okay, so let's push to origin, or push origin. And while I push is, let me sort out. I've got a couple other things to sort out. So gameplay part 7, episode 69, 14, and we're done. Or we will be done soon. Okay, so that's that done. The change that I wanted to make is in here. I wanted to call delete map pointer. Instead, I wanted to. I'm sorry. Yep, that sounds good. Deleting the map pointer there. Blah blah blah. Okay, that's committed, or yeah, most of it's committed. Just this little change that's minor. So you're gonna wrap up now. So can we follow you guys on social media? So you can follow the Sonar Systems stuff. So if I give you a link to Sonar, put Sonar Learning. And if you go to the bottom, still got Google Plus, you can ignore that because that link does not work. Need to take that down. You can get the Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube links from here. And yeah, so if you just go to the bottom of there, you can get them. And if we go to, there we go. No, well, let me do it like this. Okay, we're gonna wrap up now. We'll see everyone tomorrow. 2 live streams, 1 gameplay Ghost of Tsushima. I will try and be on time for 11 a.m. in the morning, and 1 4 p.m. live stream. Try and be on time for the game engine at 4 p.m. as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Plus, just to let you know, I think I already mentioned it, created another category for finance, and there's channels in there as well. So feel free to recommend any other categories you want or channels you want as well. Thinking about creating a channel where gamers can get together and connect with each other and, you know, find people to play with. All right, guys, great to see you together. See you tomorrow, Pixel Pat. See you, Alicia, and see everyone else as well. Thanks, good night, and babe, you want to say anything?
Sorry, I'm not listening. I'm doing killing everyone.
I was saying, do you want to say anything? Well, we're about to wrap up now.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See ya. It's gonna have